Well guys, we're back out here at Lakeview 2 to have a little fun, and he's got a fish on. I just got here. We have nothing set up, but I'm gonna go ahead and net it. These trees are kind of annoying right here.
Isn't it wild how that fish that Keith went off and then mine went off at the exact same
Dude,
time?
that's just what they do. It's so weird.
They were like on a timer. These fish are unreal.
Ooh, that's a decent one, I think.
Good point. There are some babies in here.
Oh no, it's a fall fish right there. Little tiny healthy mouth.
Yeah.
Rice fish. Oh, there we go.
It's a carp, man.
Well guys, it's not like last weekend at Varner, but it's a nice little carp. Pretty average for Lakeview 2. Let's get him back in. Off it goes. I'll let y'all know the baits and where we're at and all that fun stuff once I get set up.
And just like that damn sweet feed bait. That's a stirrup. No, that's bean.
Yeah. We got another fish on, guys. Oh. It's been a little while, but it's slow today. There's a little side pot going on, and he's only caught one. They've caught none. So
I've caught two.
he's caught two now, and this is number 3.
The video wasn't rolling for the first one.
Yeah, I wasn't even here for the first one, so my rods are dead.
Get up, Garrett. Double, baby!
Which one was it?
Gotta be it had to have been the furthest one.
There's no way.
You wasn't moving?
No.
They'll drop it.
Wasn't this one.
Could it have been someone else's beat?
Nobody else has those beepers.
I know it.
No.
Dude, is there a ghost?
I don't know what that noise was, but it was not a beeper. I thought it was a beeper.
Okay.
This is another carp fisherman down there, but
This is a good fish. Actually, that guy down there has he has beepers, and he's capped. But the only beepers I've heard him with are the ones that like that. Oof.
well, guys, we might have a buffalo on here, according to him.
I haven't seen it. It's just a beam. It's pulling good. It could be just a 5-pound yellow.
Why would I eat soybean? Oh, there he goes into your other rod.
Yeah, I wish you wouldn't. He might be coming into the bank here.
You can see that line over there drifting.
Is it moving?
No, not yours.
Oh, okay.
I just,
I didn't know if he had gotten over it. I didn't notice.
I don't.
He wants to go that direction so bad.
I find it interesting that he's trying to go that way though, because usually they just kind of go out to the middle.
Right. Let me see if I can get him up and see what we're dealing with. What do we got? Oh, just a good yellow. Unless I can get his head up. That's a good yellow.
Huh. It's a yellow, guys.
You know how to get that line on that freaking
Fin.
on that fin, dude. They just perfect. They're good at doing it. Alright, I'm gonna get him right here. Here we go.
Missed him.
Alright, one more.
Man,
Good one.
I can't even see him.
Here he comes. Jesus. He might be good.
Oh, no,
Oh, he's a
no.
good one. That's 15, 16. All day long.
He ain't quite that big. Oh, there we go.
Dude.
It's a decent fish.
Oh, he ain't that big.
No, he's a small.
Yeah, 15, 16.
Hey, I know that fish.
Yeah. He's 15 all day long.
That's
Where's my hammock?
not set up. Just put him in the grass over here.
Yeah.
I have a name for that fish.
It's over.
Man, we'd be one in the side pot right now with this right here.
Oh yeah. Good.
All right, guys.
All right.
Nice fish here, y'all. About 15 pounds. We'll get him back in. He's gone. Okay, guys. I finally got one after sitting here for 4 hours. Grits, hair rig. Didn't think it would work, but it did, so.
You let me know when it's netty time. Get on it. Cool, he's coming in. Let me get this net. Mm-hmm. Feisty. That's a good fish.
Yeah. Okay, guys, not very big, but it's a fish. We'll get him back in. Well, guys, we have another fish on millet, which is weird because they've been on chicken feed, soybean, millet, grits, you name it. It's been so weird, everywhere. Nobody's catching anything really. It's a weird day, but we're catching fish, so I'm fine with it.
That's it, baby. Don't worry about everybody else. We gonna catch them. Right at me. Just cruising straight towards me.
Wow.
Just right at me.
Yeah, we were sitting here when this man's pole went up, and that thing just bent up.
Snatched it off the beaver. Snap. kind of a slow day. We're not raking them in or anything, but we're catching fish.
Yeah. Well, there was a time when we would have considered this to be a good day. So, both of us, including me.
I agree.
Him a little later than me because he didn't get into it about...
Oh, there goes my line right there.
Oh,
he's on.
Is he hung up, or was that a fish?
He's either on this one. Yeah, he might be on this.
Oh no, he ain't on that. I think that's a fish.
It might be. Looks like. Yeah, could be on it though, right?
I think. I don't know.
Yeah, he's on it because when I'm pulling, it's coming.
All right. I let some line out. This should be fine now.
Here he comes. He's coming in. We might get a net on him in just a second. I'm gonna go ahead and force him because I don't know what type of line situation we're dealing with here. And he may not be in my line.
He is not.
He isn't. That was a damn fish.
That was a drop back. I'll go set it after I net this fish.
Damn, it was a damn fish.
I mean, it's probably.
Oh, there it is. There it is. There's the line.
Never mind.
Baby's coming out of this water today.
Oh,
baby.
Well, look how white he is.
They're so white. They're
That's not even normal.
Those holes were way out there.
He's gonna wiggle through that hole.
Look at that little baby. Oh my God.
Oh my Lord.
Look at that baby carp. He's gonna get big one day, bro.
Beautiful fish, guys. But
beautiful.
We got a miss to deal with here, so. This is proof that these fish are reproducing in these lakes quite a bit, because this fish looks like it has never been caught.
Ever.
I've never seen this fish before.
No. This is a
back
fresh
in,
one.
guys.
Look how healthy and fresh. He's a brand new fish.
Well, once again, another fish on, and it's not me, because all I brought today was grits, and they're not doing it for me, so. Get this one in. This one pulled grape rice. And we haven't caught a fish out of here on grape rice, and oh man, it's been months. Literally like 3 months.
Oh baby. Every bit of it. Every bit of at least 3 months. I haven't pulled them on my Concord grape, that's for sure. But it was hot in the summer, you know, it's crazy. That just goes to show you guys that are watching. Bait, it matters to a certain point, but after a while, I mean, if you can't get on their eating pattern, it just goes to show you that they have one, you know? Just goes to show you that they have one.
Oh, there we go. Not a bad fish either.
It's okay. Carp's a carp.
Carp here.
Carp's a carp.
Get him back in.
This goes to show that we got future fish here at Lakeview too. It'll be getting bigger, hopefully.
And there he goes. Yeehaw. Well guys, that was a quick short video. Not many fish were caught today. It was kind of rough. We didn't have good bait on us. You know, we were just kind of out here to play around a little, and we caught some fish. But yeah, that's that. Just a really nice fall day out on the lake. I hope y'all enjoyed, and if you want to see more videos like this, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.